Alright guys, I just bought one of these mini skid steers. Thought it'd be badass. SDLL30 from SD Lanch. Got it on an auction. It's straight from China. The messed up thing, like this is brand new, right? I just cut the top of the crate off, taking the straps off. But they gave me one set of keys. I actually found them down there in that cap for the hydronic oil. However, these keys they gave me, they don't fit. They turn like 10 degrees. Does anybody else have this problem? I really want to use this thing, I just don't know how.